Hey friends, welcome to my channel. Never decide anything before you try fixing them. Okay, this is my JBL Bluetooth speaker. I think the model is Charge 2. I've been using this speaker for almost 6 years now. It was playing superbly till yesterday, but I don't know, for some reason it got stopped playing. And I found out how to fix it. I'll show you how to do that. Tear down a speaker is very easy, but you don't have to dismantle whole speaker. You just have to unscrew that right part of woofer. That is enough. That's where the problem hides. After unscrewing, lift that right part of woofer carefully so that you won't damage the wirings inside. Can you spot the square thing inside? I think that is written 100. Let me show it little closely. Yeah, can you see that now? So this is the problem. See, it is detached, right? So it is not in contact with the board. That is the problem. Did you see that? So when I press that square thing in contact with the board, the woofer is getting activated and the speaker starts playing. So in my case, this square thing has got detached totally, so I have taken out completely outside. So I'm gonna put little glue on it and fix it on board permanently. So that is a fix. It's very easy. So once that is done, there is no more issue, I hope. This is a closer look of 100 coil. I think this helps regulate the voltage in the chip, I guess. Look at this. One part is totally broke, right? Can you see that coil thing? Yes. So I think this is because my speaker had fallen on floor many times because of my kit. So better to keep it safe from the kit, but I'm not sure how much it can help. So better to know how to fix it. That helps, I guess. What I'm doing is I'm just applying a glue and I'm gonna fix it on the board. That's it. It's gonna work perfectly. That's all guys, all done. You are going to listen to the music which is directly coming out of this JBL speaker after fixing it. So with this, I'm going to say thank you all. Please share your feedbacks in comment section. Be it good or bad, let me try to improvise in next video. Thank you so much for watching my video. Bye bye.